Hi everyone, here we've got Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite, and let me share with you how to turn on or off the keyboard sounds on this device. So firstly, let's check the keyboard and let me type something, and let's check if we will hear actually anything. So I think it's really quiet, but I hope that you can see this click after tapping on the keyboard. Or maybe not. Whatever, just you have to trust me that we've got the sound feedback from our keyboard. So now I can show you how to turn it off. So all you have to do is simply enter the settings, tap on the sound, and here we've got the system sound, so let's tap on it. At the very bottom of the list we've got Samsung keyboard, and this is the keyboard we've got currently set on this device. So now it is obviously activated because I hope that you've heard the feedback. And if you'd like to turn it off, if you'd like to type silently on the keyboard, just tap on the switcher here, and from now on it is turned off. So I hope you won't hear actually anything after tapping on the keyboard. Of course, you can turn it on whenever you want. All you have to do is just tap on the switcher here. So well, actually that's all. This is how to manage the keyboard sounds in your Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.